fuck up, get your top hit. Clean and crew, we pull out with the mop sticks. I can let my demons loose, we ride and don't get car sick. Really, I believed in you, it turned out that you not shit.
Sheesh. It is foggy as all no what. This might not be the best weather to record in. We had some crazy, wicked ass thunderstorm that fortunately I wasn't really here for, but at least where I was working at. But it looks like it reached over to where I live. So quality might not be the best. I did get a new lens, so that's good, but unfortunately, because of the humidity, it's just so terrible to record it. It's just gonna look so fucking muggy, bro. It's gonna look so fucking bad. Anyways, so for what we're doing today, pretty much installing the Morimoto lights I got for the Subaru. So I did also get these lights at first for the Z, but I figured, you know, why upgrade the Z's lights and not upgrade the Subaru? So doing that right now. About to just smack it in. Taking out the bumper was pretty easy. It wasn't hard. So really all it is taking out the bumper. There should be a 10 mil I would need for each side, which is 4 bolts. Take out the brackets, put it on the Morimotos. After I do that, smack the Morimotos on, clip the bumper back up, and it's pretty much good. In the video I saw, they had to jack up the car, do some extra shit. They had to take out the bumper completely from the fog lights. I don't think you really have to take it off completely, honestly. I don't think so. Worst case scenario, if I have to, then fuck it, I'll do it. But just by kind of looking at it, if I don't have to take it off, I'm not gonna take it off, bro. I'm not doing that shit. But yeah, essentially is what it is right now. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out and put it on and give you a good before and after. All right, guys, so for right now, I got both lights off. Amazing. This actually wasn't really hard. It actually was not hard at all, to be honest. It's like 4 to 5 bolts on each side. 10 mil is what you need. Really, if you just get a kit like this, $25 kit from Home Depot, comes with a mini extension, ratchet, all your pieces. It's all you need. Didn't even have to jack it up. Now, for some people, you might have your bolts, not your bolts, but like your self-tapping screws, or the fuck, not self-tapping screws, but the little push pins to keep the bumper on. You might have some at the bottom. Fortunately for me, I didn't really have any, but 2 on the left. So it's a lot more easier for me to take off. Really, after you take off the light on both sides with the 10 mil, all you're gonna wanna do is just unclip it, just take it off, put the Morimoto on, tighten it up, clip it back in, or clip it back in first and then tighten it up with the 10 mil. Then you're pretty much good. Like, honestly, it really was not difficult. Look at that beautiful header color. Pairing big tubes. Ah, shit, man. I'm not gonna talk about the car yet. I'll talk about the car after the Morimotos are on, but as you can see, she's coming together, brother. She coming together. Sheesh. Damn. All right, let's keep it going. All right, so real quick, one thing I completely forgot about was the bracket. So for this car, the bracket, there's only 2 bolts for me. It's really supposed to be 3, but for me, it only had 2 bolts, 1 on each opposite side. You want to take the bracket off of the OEM one and then place it back on the new one for the Morimoto headlight, but don't forget that too as well, because if you don't put that on, it's not going to fit properly. So remember, put on your fucking brackets. It's also a 10 mil, just like every other bolt. Like literally for this whole install, all you're gonna need is a plier so you can do the push pins, and then, or use your key if you want to be ghetto like me, and a 10 mil socket. That's all, with a wrench and an extendo. That's all you need. So I'm just out of breath because it's hot as fuck, but other than that, really it's pretty simple. ABC 1 2 3. It's like, you really can't get this wrong. If you can't install this shit, then you shouldn't be dating nobody. You should not be even driving. And I don't really know what to tell you, because this shit is, so far, it's easy as hell. But yeah. put the address for Clarendon. Yep. Nah, you're good. I mean, yeah, you can tell me. 8A. Alright. Try and get used to the whole, like, GoPro. This hat is kind of like not as easy to carry like the camera with, because it's more kind of like between my eyes. But I have a lot of hats so that like it's not like this. It's actually like above my eyes, and it's perfectly fine. I haven't tried wearing this hat with it yet, but I'm still getting used to it. Just like how I'm trying to get used to this car still. Look at that seat. Something, I think brother said something to the effect of like their internal wastegate. See, it's still, the internal wastegate's open while I have an external wastegate. Well, no. Actually, brothers didn't say that. I meant the tuner said it, so brothers have to go back and get it fixed by them. Located in Alexandria, Virginia. Pretty good guys. Oh, good. I'm going the speed limit. Alright. Gotcha. Oh man. Next goals for this car is probably, at least once when it's paid off, is when I'm going to make the next big goal. But actually before that, I want to get the T37s. So I want to do that for sure. Yeah, they're the wheels, 6-spoke wheels. But I do want to get like one side white and like the other side black, like something like a little different. I think they were the Segas. I forgot what which ones they were, but they were pretty sick. This Camaro. Now I'm definitely gonna get some tires, but that's like the last big thing I'm gonna buy for this car, as far as things that this car doesn't need. That's like the last thing. And once this car is paid off, SCI transmission, bigger turbo, and the and yeah, actually I take that back. The T37s and the various side skirts with the carbon side splitters. Those two are the last things I'm gonna get for this car. And then after that, pay the car off, and then I'll continue to spend big money on it. But yeah, doing a little POV drive in the city, downtown. Came up on a little RS, showing what's good. But yeah, until this tune is fixed with this car, we'll not be able to really enjoy it. I'm just trying to see what's up. It's not even really the tune that has a problem. It's really just an internal wastegate I gotta get fixed. I guess whenever that gets fixed and the car can just actually not lag when it's spooling, I can actually enjoy it more. But it's been a lot more enjoyable now because at least I can redline since the last time brothers took a look at it. At least I can, you know, draw the RPM out to redline, but it still just boosts very slowly. It's like it has like a big lag for whatever reason. So tuner said looks like their internal wastegate's open for whatever reason, so hopefully brothers can fix it. If they fix that, get the tune for E, and then be solid. But it's been a year, man. It just sucks. I always like this house. This house is pretty sick. Yeah, it's like an interesting house. It's like, it looks like some fucking Caroline Halloween shit. Some Black Mirror shit, I don't know. Yeah, I'm in love with those like Black Mirror looking houses. I don't know why, they just look so different. Exactly. Who's that? Does he know he's in a one-way?
That's the last turn before.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna say, what the fuck?
Those city streets.
Nah, for real. For real.
Intersections.
Yep, majority up until the holiday season, main focuses on really any car is really just Z. Feel build motor twin turbo kit. So I was in talks with a couple different people that are making kits, but I think so far I'm pretty set on who I'm going to go with because they're giving me the best opportunity. So we're going twins, built motor, and hopefully making 700-800 wheel reliably, and I'm calling it a day with that. But still got about a season and a half until that comes into fruition.
It's funny, I've never seen Clarendon in the daytime. It's actually really nice.
Yeah, Clarendon is kind of like DC. Very similar. I can't park there, huh?
This is cute.
What does it say? 9 to 6, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I can park there, can I? What does that sign say? I can park there, right? Yeah, it says 4 p.m.
It says like Thursday.
Yeah, but it says the 3rd to the 6th, and it says after 4 it's reserved. I know before 4, from 9 a.m. to 4 it's reserved. Right now it's, what time is it right now? 4:06, right? What time is it? Yeah. So it shouldn't be a problem. And if they got a problem, it's like, no, I'm playing. Won't phone them. About to hit up this clothing spot real quick. Got some
Or is it no parking except
Supreme and Babe.
94?
No.
It says
No, it's
parking.
no parking, as if you cannot park here outside in these times.
Okay.
Because if that's the case, then why are all these people
Yeah.
parking here? That doesn't make any
I
sense.
hate city street. I don't want to live here. If I did, I would not have a car.
Nah, you can park here. Like, parking here is not a problem. Not at all. 15 pounds. I'm not sure. I think this car is tuned for 18 pounds. I used to keep thinking it was 14, but I think it's really 18 on E.
What?
No, I'm talking to the camera. I'm saying as far as what the car is tuned on the PSI. That's a lot of stuff she doesn't know. We'll get her there. We'll get her there. We will get her there. Oh, nice. Bumper didn't fall off. Sweet. Alright, so it says no parking except paving. This is that one place that has all the... Oh, shit. This is, is this a club? I don't know. But anyways, it says no parking except paving, so we can park here. It says 9 a.m. to... Like literally every other person park here. So we should be good. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Shit. All right. The rest is looking good. So pretty much that's that.
Good camera bed.
Yeah. Well, that's not the reason why, but it's good for you to use it for that, though. I appreciate it.
Perfect size.
You can go first. You got my keys, right? All right. Let's get on here. Or I could move it right there. Nah, fuck it.
Maybe.
Yeah, it just says 15 minutes all times. We're not gonna be in there that long anyways. We're only gonna be there like 20 minutes probably. Oh man, well, that being said, y'all, peace, love, and positive like always. Just watch me out shoot. Well, not watch me out shoot. I'm tripping. This is Whiplash from $1 Million Dreams signing out with yet another $1 Million video for Not Fun Dreams. What are you doing?
It turned out that you not shit. Moving on, that's easy too. Quit acting like I'm not rich. Fuck these IG hoes, I'd rather have a block bitch. She been playing on my heartstrings like a guitar pick. I know what broken hearts mean, was trying to